Minna. Be nice to the vegetation, please. Good morning. Welcome to Indecisive Gardener's Backyard Homestead. I am Stacy Jo, but you could call me Stace or Stacers, whatever you please. Today's video, I'm not going to be talking much. I'm losing my voice. Yeah. I have a sinus infection, I think. It's not the big C. Promise. Anyway, I have allergies. So yes, this whole video, maybe just birds chirping and ambient noise in the background. I am an urban homestead, so you may hear some sirens and some cars and what have you. But that's okay. I'm going to stop talking now. Where's Flora? Flora, you laying an egg? Excuse me, ladies. Excuse me, can I get through? Let me through. Come on, let me through. There she is. Good girl. Thank you, Flora. Thank you. Thank you, Flora. Not you. You want some of this? Huh? Do you want some of this? Get in the way, girls. Get in the way. So I've been thinning out all these radishes, and I'm kind of tired of radishes now. So some of them are going to the chickens, some of them I am going to harvest for myself. And I come to find out my husband likes them in salads. So we're going to put the sweet potatoes in here. Looks like they're going to seed, so it's a good time to harvest. It's going to get hotter here soon, real soon. Cherry bells. Easter baskets from Territorial Seeds. Okay, Mr. Beetle. You must go. Oh, I got a white radish. Baker Creek. Hi, baby, I got more. I got more. Flora, you like it under the hibiscus, the Rose of Sharon? Yeah? I see you cleaned out all the moss. Good job, girls. We'll get out of the way. Some yummy radishes and lots of bugs and spiders in there. Yeah. I see how you are, Flora. You let her do all the work. Cheers. It's all the same one. Okay. It's a good thing I'm taking them out of the water. There's been 2 of them now that are extra soft. They probably won't make it. We'll find out. Second one. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Okay, this one's all connected. It's like 3 of them on one. Let's put that right here. Okay. Oh, there's another one in there. Okay, I'm gonna put it right where the glass was. Now, it's the last one. Okay, the city is waking up. We have the sweet potatoes in. These are the ones I purchased. I couldn't for the life of me figure out which company I bought them from. So I did some research and found out I bought them from Territorial Seed Company. Okay. Girls, we need to go in. It's starting to rain. Oh, that feels good though. Oh, yeah, menopause. Yeah, baby. So I guess that's it for today, unless the rain breaks and I can get back out here later on. It is a special day. I'm gonna go out to dinner with my daughter and her husband, and hopefully my husband will be home in time to go too. And yeah. Remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless. Have an awesome day. And until next time, see ya. Hey, macchiato. Mr. Macchiato, you want a strawberry? Huh? You want a strawberry? Hey.